Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to repair and how to check your mic if you are a YouTuber and if your mic is not a proper functional, if your mic's wire is damaged, your mic has been become non-functional, so how you will check it out? By using this multimeter and how you will repair. So let's see in this video tutorial. So simply guys, this pointer of this multimeter I will keep on a continuity. So this is on continuity. Firstly I will check this wire by placing this ground here and I will put in a one here. So see guys, beep is coming, it means now see here I will beep is coming from I put here and 1 second is here, so beep is coming, means this wire is okay, one line wire is okay, second line just I will put here and I will keep here. So see on both coming beep, so this wire is okay. So now I will keep in this in a computer simply, and now see guys here just I will check this mic on a continuity. This is your ground, so one is a ground and one is earth, so as we know that simply I will keep this one on a ground here and now I will check by here. So see after reading it has been raised on a 1, so it means it's okay, means it's functional. Similarly once again I will put this on a ground. See red probe, that is for earth, but however here just I will change this one and I will keep on a ground and I will check on this. So now see guys, no reading is coming, it has been 1. So similarly once again I will put this on a ground and I will keep on here, so no reading is coming, it means it's okay. Why it is so? Because if I plug on this, so beep will come. So this is for ground and this is for earth. So when I by touching this ground, this red probe, positive probe, touch here, see here, it has been raised on a 1. So if continue reading is coming guys, it means this mic has been damaged. If by clicking here on a red also beep comes and here on a negative, as we know that this will give you beep. So let me once again I will show you. See beep is coming. If beep is also coming here by touching, it means your mic has been short now. So now just by placing here 1 and second one here, so now see no beep is coming, but if I click here now beep is coming. It's a ground and this is earth, so on earth let me check this ground and earth, it's also ground guys. Why I'm telling you, it's not a ground, it's a extra wire simply. Now see guys here, if on a both by touching here, if one is not coming and beep is giving, it means also it has been short. So now I can say that this mic is okay after all. Why it is so? Because here just I will check, and if it is now see 1 after reading 1 cam, not beep is coming, so definitely I can say this mic is okay. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. My motive thus, if you are a YouTuber and due to some reason your mic is now become a dysfunctional, then how you will make a functional once again. So no need to repair of this device because it's a proper way working. So thank you guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then of course I request you, please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, so because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for accelerating knowledge in IT sector field, guys. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.